Hello my dear children. So far we discussed about the two functions, that is head and tail. In this module we are going to discuss some other topic, that is selection in series. In the head and tail function is used for what? Selecting the rows from the first 5 rows or from the last 5 rows. We can also select the rows in between. How that can be achieved? By giving the start range and the end range. For that we are having 3 methods. One is lock off function, second one is I lock off, and third one is abraces. Either we can use, that is square bracket we can use, or lock off function or I lock off function. My dear children, I am giving the syntax, that is series name dot lock off start range colon stop range. That we already discussed in slices of tuples, list, how we can slice a series or a list using a colon. Similar to that, series also can be sliced by using a colon, by giving start, stop and step values. My dear children, I am giving the example for getting the selection from the series. Here we are giving the arrays with the values 10, 15, 18, 22, 55 and 77. I am requesting you people to take a note and make the index values of this list. That is 10 having the index of 0, 15 having the index of 1, 18, 2, 22, 3, 55, 4 and 77, 5. Like that you have to make a table and a column. Then we are trying to create the series. Then while we are printing S, we will get the indexes from 0 to 5. And along with the original values, that is 10, 15, 22, 18, 55, 77 like that. The next is given for print S dot lock off 0 colon 2. So the interpreter will print values from the index 0 to 2. Then look at the next one, S dot lock off 3 colon 4, to print the values from index 3 to 4. Then we are trying to get S dot lock off 2 colon 3. What will be that? That means from the index 2 to 3. Now let us check what will be the resultant of the first print statement that we already discussed. It is nothing but the series itself. Look at the next one, S dot lock off nothing, that is 0 to 2. If you want to get the index from 0 to 2, there is no need to give the 0. Only we have to give colon 2. So what happens? The first print statement print the series. Look at the second statement, 0 to 2. Here the last range also inclusive. Don't forget my dear children, the last index given, the last range, the index is also inclusive. So it will take from 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. Then 3 to 4. So how many values will be there? 3 and 4. The index 3 and 4. The last one 2 to 3. So 2, 3. The indices and their values 2, 3. 2 having the value of 18 and the 3 having the value of 22. My dear children, am I clear about the use of start range and stop range? What is this technique is called? Selection of values from the series. In the next module, we will discuss more about how to use the values selection. Thank you.